This video is brought to you by loamgoat.com for all your braking needs. Alright, today I'm going to give you 2 tricks to prevent rubbing on your disc brake rotor, so let's go! For this one, you'll just need your hex keys and perhaps a business card or playing card of some sort. For the first step, you're going to want to loosen the caliper. For the Shimano XT brakes I have here, you're going to use a 5mm hex key. Just note that I've loosened off the bolts, but I haven't fully removed them. What you want to do next is grab the brake lever firmly and hold it, and then with the other hand use your hex key and tighten down the bolts holding the caliper. This will center the caliper and hopefully fix your rubbing issues. If this didn't fix it, I have another trick. What you want to do is go back to having a loose caliper and grab 2 cards, could be playing cards, business cards, and slide them in beside your brake pads. After you've done that, you're going to grab the brake lever again and hold it and tighten down the caliper. What this does is gives a little bit of extra clearance from your rotor and spaces it evenly on both sides. If you can't squeeze a card in there, you're going to have to check out my other video linked below. In that video, I show you how to retract your pistons for more space. After you've tightened back up the caliper, you can remove the cards from between the pads and give your lever a couple pumps just to make sure everything is working well. Give the wheel a spin to make sure that you fix the problem. Now for the best part, it's time to go for a ride. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what else you'd like to see.